So for me, getting into music was never directly through a school or through a music teacher. It was more down to my own curiosity.
If it wasn't for the teachers that told me, yes, there are valued careers in music that aren't just teaching, I wouldn't be doing it.
It's also the first career path where I felt absolutely positive that I wanted to pursue it.
I found music production at 16 and a music business degree last minute at 18. And at that sort of age, knowing your career path is vital to avoid being overwhelmed by an unclear vision of the future.
The thing that helped me get into music was definitely the support of music venues in Cardiff.
Have you ever thought about finding someone with a home studio that, I could just record some of my songs with? And I'm like, that's a good idea.
For me, what really got me into music was peripatetic flute lessons. They were really accessible. They were only around £60 a year when I started.
And if it wasn't for the people around me, such as my best friend Anthony and my engineer Jamie Winchester, who kind of provided that guidance and got me into the industry in the first place, I probably wouldn't have known where to start.
Okay, so thinking about, did you have support from?
Support from Forget Me Not Productions has helped me progress in music.
So my own personal story is that I did an A-level in music. I was told not to do anything further. I did a degree in music anyway. I actually came out the other side with a first. I got into an internship with Orchard Live, who then taught me everything I know about being a show rep.
I started music as a way of therapy so I could handle some personal issues going on in my life, and from that I found out that I was rather good at it and I felt like I could seriously make a career out of it. There wasn't many sources that I could go to help me improve my own craft around my area, so I had to self-teach myself everything.
I remember at secondary school something particularly terrible would happen. Out of instinct, my friends and I, most of whom weren't actually musicians, we took ourselves away to one of the music rooms in our school. We just jammed for hours and hours and hours, and I think that just shows how important music is to everyone.